In the code, I've created index.html file in which I've created outer container div with class of outer container. Then there is inner div with class of timer container. Then I've given create three spans. First span is has ID 0 hours and with value 00. Second span is given value colon. And third span is has ID minutes and value given to be 00. Then I've created div with class which has class of buttons, uh, and also the div has three buttons. First button has ID start, second button has ID stop, and third button has ID reset. In index.css file, I've given a body with display flex, line item center, justify content of center, and background color blue. Then there is outer container, which is given value of display flex, line item center, justify content center, and flex selection column, and border 1 pixel solid black, and background color of spring green. Width is given 500, height is 200 pixel, and border radius 20 pixel. Then there's inner container called timer container with class timer container, which has property display flex, line item center, justify content center, width 200 pixel, height 400 pixels, margin top 30 pixels, background color white, and border 1 pixel solid gray, in color blue. Then there is button class which has modern bottom 50 pixel. Then there is start ID with background color blue, stop ID with background color red, and reset ID with background color green. Then I have index.js file here, um, in which I create three buttons. Start timer button, which is getting value from start ID. Then there is stop timer button, which is getting value from stop ID. Then there is reset timer button, which is getting value from reset ID. I create four variables: counter, hours, minutes, second, and initialize them with value 0. I also initialize value is set to null initially. Then I've set value of hours minutes to 00 in string format. When start timer button is clicked, when is set to true, and set time function is called. When stop timer button is clicked, is set to false. And when reset timer button is clicked, is set to false, counter is set to 0, hours is set to 0, minutes is set to 0, and second is set to 0. And hours is set value is double quotes of 00, and minutes is set value 00. Then I call set time function. If is set is true, then counter is incremented. If counter is equal to 100, then we increment value of seconds, and counter is set to 0. If second is equal to 60, then minutes is set increment by 1 and second is set to 0. If minutes is equal to 60, then we increment value hours, and minutes is set to 0, hours second is set to 0. And then I create four variables: hour set equals 0, minute set 0, timer set 0, second set 0. If hours value is less than 10, then we set hour set value in string format to single digit. If minutes value is less than 10, then we set minutes set value in string format to single digit. If hours value is more than 10, then also we initialize hour set variable with hours in string format. And if minutes set value is more than 10, then also we initialize minutes set variable with minutes. And then we set value hours to given value hour set, and we set value of minutes to given value of minute set. And then set interval function is called, which has set time function in the net, and it is called after every 10 seconds. Now I will share my screen for the video recording of the